Hey guys, in this video I'll be guiding you through a short and sweet yoni egg practice, and I personally am quite intuitive with my yoni egg practices, so I switch it up every day depending on how I feel. So here in this video you're going to get a little glimpse of one of my many different yoni egg sequences, and this is a very short and simple one that anyone can do. You can do it at any time of the day, and if you are new to the whole jade egg yoni egg world, then please make sure to check out my free online course. I'll leave all the details in the description box below. It's completely free. All you have to do is leave your email to get immediate access. And in that course, I really go over all the fundamentals of the jade egg practice, all the different benefits, where it came from, how to choose your egg, how to clean your egg, how to string your egg, how to insert your egg, and there's another whole guided practice over there, along with a lot of other content on pelvic wellness and yoni health. So if you're new to this world, I suggest you go check that out first and then come back here. The guided practice is going to start with the egg already inserted in, so if you would like to do it together, then I suggest you pause this video, go clean your egg, string your egg, insert it mindfully and consciously, and then once you feel ready, you can press play and I'll be guiding you through the practice. Start in a comfortable seated position. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your lower belly, taking a few moments to attune to the energies of your womb space and your heart space. Noticing what's alive in you in this moment. And begin to make slow, sensual movements with your torso, inviting fluidity into the body, waking up the energy of the pelvis. And switching direction, allowing your movement to be full and round, feeling the juiciness and sensuality in your body. And coming to a stop, taking a deep breath. And gently transitioning to lay on your back, bending your knees and bringing your feet to touch your fingertips. And taking a few deep breaths here, visualizing your egg inside of you as a tool for healing, for expansion, for awakening. And on your next inhale, lift your pelvis up into a bridge pose and relax your yoni. And exhale, bring it down as you squeeze your pelvic floor. Inhale up and relax your yoni muscles open. Exhale and squeeze the egg inside of you. And repeat this a few more times, following the rhythm of your own breath. And coming to a full stop, relaxing your yoni fully. And straighten your legs out and bring them towards each other. And point your left foot and flex your right foot. And as you inhale, relax your yoni. And as you exhale, squeeze your yoni. Again, inhale, relax. Exhale, squeeze. And switching sides, now flexing your left foot and pointing your right foot. Inhaling, relaxing your yoni. And exhale, squeezing the egg inside of you. One more time, inhale, relax. Exhale, squeeze the egg. And relax fully. Taking a full deep breath here into your belly. And turning around to lay on your stomach. If you want, you can use your hands as a cushion for your forehead. And wiggling your pelvis left and right for a few moments just to get centered and comfortable. Feeling the presence of Mother Earth beneath you, holding you, nourishing you, replenishing your womb with vitality. And with the next exhale, squeeze your butt cheeks and press your pelvis into the earth beneath you as you squeeze the egg. And inhale, relax your pelvis. Exhale, squeeze into the earth as you squeeze the egg. And inhale, relax your butt cheeks. One more time. And coming back to stillness. And coming up onto your forearms into a Sphinx pose. Feeling your heart space opening and expanding. And on your next exhale, squeeze the yoni egg inside of you. And as you inhale, fully relax your yoni muscles. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, relax. And you can visualize the egg moving up and down your vaginal canal as you do this. And slowly coming back down, wiggling your pelvis to release your lower back. And coming into a child's pose. And just fully relaxing here. So not squeezing the egg, not engaging your pelvic floor muscles, but simply allowing your yoni to melt open, releasing any tension, any holding, and just breathing here. Next, we will do a few rounds of cat-cow. So coming up on all fours. And as you inhale, relax your yoni and arch up. And as you exhale, squeeze the egg inside of you as you curl and round your spine. Inhale, arch up and relax your yoni. Exhale, round your spine as you squeeze the egg inside of you. And keep doing this a few more times, following the rhythm of your own breath. And coming back to a neutral position, and now we'll make some large circles. So as you lean forward, inhale and relax your yoni, and as you exhale, come back and squeeze your yoni, allowing this movement to be slow and sensual. And changing directions. And coming back into a child's pose, relaxing fully. Taking a deep breath and gently coming onto your back and bringing your knees into your chest, and hold your knees with your hands and start making circles to open your hips away from each other and back towards each other. As you exhale, squeezing the egg inside of you, and as you inhale, fully relaxing. And switching directions. Doing the exact same thing as you inhale, relaxing your yoni, and as you exhale, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. You can visualize the egg moving up and down inside of your vaginal canal as you do this. And finally, we'll come into a twist to end our practice, bringing your right leg over your left leg and twisting over to the right and gazing to the left. And squeeze your egg for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and fully release and relax into the twist, allowing your yoni to melt open. And switching sides, bringing your left leg over your right leg and twisting to your left while gazing to your right. And squeeze the egg inside of you for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and fully release and relax into this pose. And coming back to center, stretching out your legs. If you want, you can place your hands in Yoni Mudra, an upside down triangle with your thumbs and pointer fingers touching over your womb. Allowing the weight of your body to melt in the surface beneath you. Relaxing your jaw, relaxing your yoni. And visualizing your yoni egg inside of you, vibrating with a healing golden light. And visualize this light expanding throughout your entire yoni, your entire vaginal canal, up into your cervix, your womb, your ovaries, filling up your entire pelvic bowl with this healing golden light. And now visualize this golden light radiating from your pelvic bowl, up your torso and down your legs, spreading throughout your entire body. Your whole body vibrating with this healing golden light. And to conclude this practice, visualize all this beautiful energy you created through this practice coming into your navel center and anchoring into your being to stay with you and nourish you throughout the rest of your day. Namaste.